Well, good morning and hello, 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 my mad scrappers. For once, I'm in front of the camera instead of behind it or above it or wherever this crazy mad scrapper mind is on my videos. I'm here today because it's that time again. Cards for Cubs has launched and I was behind as usual. And I saw the video. The video came out on Friday, okay? And I barely saw it yesterday, Saturday. So, and I watched the video and I'm all excited. So I wanted to come to you because you guys know that I really support it. Every year I make and donate Cards for Cubs. And it is put on by Barely Art Glue, and they collect cards for children who are in the foster care system. So they are distributed to foster care agencies and they go to children who are basically the forgotten kids for whatever reason, hardship that's going on in their life. They're in the system now and they tend to be forgotten or feel like they've been forgotten. I'm sorry about that. So I feel it's important that we do something, or at least that I do something. I'm always talking, I'm always saying, with my tagline always is that with our talents, we have, or our abilities, we have a way of touching and making somebody's day brighter. And that is, I mean, because of everything we have, and honestly, and I get a little bit tongue tied, so forgive me. I always say, and this is something I say a lot in my life, for those who much is given, much is expected. So I have this somewhat God-given talent. He gave me what he gave me, and I do the best I can with it. But I am fortunate I have a lot of scrapbooking supplies and I'm able to buy it. So I figure, the least I can do is do something good with it. So I'm all in. My personal goal is 100 cards. And we have the whole month of March to do it in. Okay, they have to hit the mail by March 31st. They have to be postmarked by March 31st. So you got to get them out there. I am going to link you down below to the video, the one from Barely Arts, from Cards for Cubs, that explains it a bit. All right, there is a new address for those of you who have done it in the past. They've moved, so there's a new address that we have to mail them to. Just know this: they want 4.5 by 5.25 cards, basic A2s. All right, two themes: birthday or encouragement. Those two themes. No stamping on the inside. They want, I believe, my understanding, they just want it, make it ubiquitous. You do what you want on the outside, but on the inside, leave it blank so that whoever's sending it out, the social worker or whoever, has the opportunity to put their own sentiment on the inside of the card. You're supposed to do card and envelope in bundles of 10, please. And then just mail them in that way. You can do, your design is up to you what you do. I mean, if you want to make it foo-foo fancy or you want to make it plain, I mean, that's totally up to you. I try to do a little bit extra, or, my style, because again, we're back to these kids are going through what they're going through. So let's, make them feel like they're worthy, they're special, and they are. So I'm just going to say that. I just wanted to come out here and show you guys that. Also, in the video from Barely Arts, they have a guest that comes on who is hosting a blog hop on the 3rd. And I'm shooting this video on the 1st. So Sunday the 1st. So that means on Tuesday, there's going to be, I think, a 12-hour blog hop. I wish I'd known about it sooner. I would have possibly tried to get in on it. But then my poor little blog is very ignored. So I need to, get on the ball with that too in my copious amounts of time. But you probably want to watch it. And this person also in support of Cards for Cubs has released a couple of cuttables that are print and cuttables that you can then print and cut and make cards. And she's releasing them for free in support of this. So get on there and make cards. And let's make cards together. I'm hoping, and I'll announce it a little bit later this week, I'm hoping to maybe on Sundays do like a 1 or 2 hour. Let's make some cards for Cards to Cubs for the next 3 weekends, okay? Because Sundays are a little bit more freer for me. And let's hang out for a couple hours and let's just see how many cards we can make and donate for Cards to Cubs. So give me until Wednesday. I should be able to have a video up announcing it and scheduling it, okay? So give me a second, though. I want to show you. Let me go to the computer and let me show you some of what, a bit about Cards for Cubs, okay? Hang on. All right, peeps, I am back here and I've gone over to YouTube because why not? I spend as much time there as you guys do. So here I really did a quick search and did cards for cubs. Literally, that's all I did. A quick search for cards for cubs, and there are a lot of videos out there. Starting with the not so much but with the kickoff one. So I just wanted to know that if you want to find inspiration or ideas or just find out who else is doing stuff for cards for cubs, literally you can do a YouTube search, cards for cubs. Right here I've saved it already, and this is the kickoff video that was done. And these are people who organize cards for cubs every year. They talk about it. You want to give it a listen. I mean, there's a ton of, and you can see if you look over here, there is a ton of content over here. I haven't gone through it yet, but I'm going to. But I thought I would share that with you so you can watch this, and it'll give you a ton of information. And then, no, wait, there's more. If we come over here, this is Lynn. Lynn is, and she is LVH Handcrafted, or LV Handcrafted. She is the one that's doing the 12-hour marathon, okay? And she talks about it here, so you want to hook in, because she kicks it off, I'm pretty sure, and they'll be able to hop along with the blog of it. It's 12 hours. But why not? What are you guys doing? It's Tuesday, mind you, the 3rd, okay? I will be able to watch it limitedly. You know, I have it on mute and kind of be watching because I work. On Tuesday's a work day for me, but doesn't mean that I can't have something going on in the background. Why? Because I'm ADHD. And there you go. We have 2 or 3 things going on at the same time. So I wanted, for those of you who can't, go ahead and get out there and watch, and let's be supportive. They're going to be doing giveaways and stuff like that. And why not? Then next is, here she is, LV Handcrafted, with a kit for cards for cubs. I haven't watched the video yet. I have it queued up to watch it. I wanted to make sure that you are aware of it. I want to let you know all of these links that I have here, I'm going to link them down in the description box. I promise this time I'll get it up there before I upload the video. Hello. Some of us are still dinglings. But I want to let you know that you have all of this content, tons of stuff for inspiration to make cards to get together, okay? And then last but not least, excuse me, oh, here is, again, this is really, really cool. I think it's music. Yeah, it's just, you can hear the music in the background. Down my volume a little, but I'm just like, oh wow, nice cool card. I wish there was instructions or something on it. I mean, we could message her, maybe. Let's see, sometimes they will put a link in these shorts. You will see a link to the tutorial video, but isn't that a cool card? And it's a fabulous card, and I'm all about making something fabulous for this event. Okay, I'm not sure about that level of draw, the alcohol marking. I mean, if you're that great, great. But I wanted to show you what somebody was doing. I think it's really, really awesome. So anyway, guys, I'm literally, I just wanted to pop in. I wanted to do this kickoff, letting you know I'm in, and I just remembered, hello, some of us are going to be at a crafting weekend in Oceanside with her crafty girlfriends. So I'm going to challenge them, and I know, I was wondering, okay, what am I going to take to work on there? I now know what I'm going to take to work on that weekend. All right, guys. And you know me, when I make videos, I cut 1, I cut 10, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be cutting those and bringing those all with me to work and make them for and let me pause this because otherwise I'll be hearing the music all, be my earworm for the day. But that's my plan. So we'll see how many cards I make and get out. All right, guys. So hang in there, and if you can do this, it is a worthy cause, and children, need this, and we have the ability to make a child who feels it's forgotten, to make them feel special, and they deserve that. All right. So I'm gonna let you go, and remember, as I always say, craft. Go out there and craft and make something beautiful. And always remember that what you make and what you give brightens someone's day. So go out there and make a difference with your craft. And as always, don't ever forget, we're all a little mad here. So come on, craft the madness with me. Okay, my friends, take care. Love y'all. Bye.